I joined as a member because I was in the New Contemporary exhibition by the RSA in Edinburgh, and I received the Glasgow Print Studio Award in 2019. I've been a member since then. I was a bit intimidated at first because I didn't come from a printmaking background, but over time I've learned a lot more and just really enjoy being here. For the Here and Now print, it was first fabricated digitally, and then I've converted into layers to make the print. The title of my new print is Duck. In my practice, I've always been quite fascinated with the idea of storytelling and how to convey that through visual languages. So in this print, I wanted to do the sort of comic strip format. It moves in a narrative rather than just a single image. And I have always worked with birds, the shapes of them, the way that they act. I've always found them quite fascinating. So I thought I was just trying to get that comical, humorous effect, giving it a bit more sort of human characteristics, a bit sly, a bit like it's done something wrong, but it's kind of smug about it. This actually is the first time I've made a proper edition, because in the past few years I've been doing screen printing. I've always been quite experimental, not thinking in terms of editions, but thinking in terms of like individual works. So this time I really had to try and plan everything exactly as I'd want it, so that I can ensure that I can make a full edition rather than just like one or two.